Xin chào tất cả các bạn. Hôm nay mình sẽ cùng dừng chân tại một nơi tuyệt đẹp như một bức tranh mà thiên nhiên đã ban tặng cho tỉnh Đắk Lắk. Các bạn hãy cùng Lê Ron Travel thưởng thức vẻ đẹp nơi đây qua video này nhé.
It's the evening light shining through the curtains, the time before the night when everything is golden. You're sitting on the chair, wrapped inside a bedsheet, playing with your hair, watching people on the high street. If I wished myself a superpower, I would make this moment last for hours. If I had my will, time would just stand still, wait for me until I find some magic film to take a photograph and live inside. Going down, your skin is like a painting, the light is perfect now, but I can feel it changing. Kids are probably soon, don't get me wrong, I'm ready, but I know what to do when we're no longer two, when us means more than me and you. Oh, if I wished myself a superpower, I would make this moment last for hours. If I had my will, time would just stand still, wait for me until I find some magic film to take a photograph and live inside. A memory is not enough. I'm scared that I'll forget the way it feels to be young and in love. Let me stay right here just a moment longer. The picture is so clear. Please let this last forever.